then in this video, I'm going to show you how to run your own artificial intelligence on your computer. To do that, we need to install Ollama on our operating system. Ollama is an AI framework that lets you run and manage models on your machine. So head over to the Ollama website and download it to your computer. Once downloaded, install it, open your terminal, and type Ollama to verify that it was installed correctly. Next, go back to the Ollama website and click on Models to see a list of available models to download. Now keep in mind that the number of parameters in each model is indicated by a number followed by the letter B. For example, 7B, 32B. The more parameters, the smarter the model, but it also requires more computing power. Fewer parameters mean a lighter model, but it may make more mistakes. Choose a model that fits your computer's capabilities. For this example, I'm going to download Dixie, which has 1.5 billion parameters. This model has relatively low requirements, so most PCs should be able to run it. To get the model, just copy and paste this command into your terminal. Ollama will handle the download, and once it's done, you'll be able to interact with the model just like you would with ChatGPT or any other AI provider. To use it again, make sure Ollama is running. Open your terminal and type Ollama list. This will show all the installed models. To start a model, type Ollama ROM followed by the model name. And just like that, you're ready to interact with your AI anytime. But what happens if you try to run a model with more parameters than your PC can handle? Well, you might experience longer load times, slower interactions, and the overall experience will feel sluggish. If this happens, consider using a smaller model for better performance. Now that we can run models on our PC, the next step is improving how we interact with them. Right now, we only have access through the terminal, but what if we want a better user interface or even a full application? Luckily, Ollama includes a built-in server, making it easy to connect models to an application. All we need is a backend to create a bridge between the AI model and our application. So let's set it up. Open your code editor and create a new folder with your project name. Then open the terminal inside that folder and run npm init-y. This will generate a package.json file to configure all project dependencies. Next, we'll install the necessary packages. npm install expresscores.env. We'll also install nodemon, so the server updates automatically with each change. npm install save dev nodemon. Now update the package.json file. In the script section, add these two lines. And at the very top, add type module. This will allow us to use modern JavaScript syntax. Next, create a new file called index.js. Inside this file, import express, initialize it in a variable, and set the port to 3000. Then create a variable for the Ollama model URL. This is the default port the model uses. Now, tell Express to parse JSON requests. Next, define a new route called /chat. Make it asynchronous and add a try-catch block inside. Extract the message and model from the request body. Now, let's add a simple validation. If no message is sent, return a 400 error. Then, make a fetch request using the post method to the Ollama URL. Send the prompt and model, making sure to set stream to falser. Add a quick error check. If everything is fine, send the response in JSON format. If there's an error, print it to the console and return a 500 error. Finally, tell Express to start the server using app.listen. Now go to the terminal and type npm run dev. Your server should now be running. This is the moment of truth. Test your server using Thunder Client or Postman. Send a prompt. If everything works correctly, you'll receive a response from the model on your server. And just like that, you can run artificial intelligence on your own machine. Lastly, don't forget to visit my website, where you'll find free guides and projects that are great starting points for any development. And of course, subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media to keep learning how to develop your own AI applications.